Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue create our React custom hooks, and if you didn't see my last video you can go to my channel, and in the last video we'll create use the bonds. And today we're going to create another custom hook in React. This time we'll create a useEventListener hook. This hook helps us easily add and remove event listeners on any elements. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll create new file. Name this file useEventListener and add JS extension. And in this time we need two React hooks. Import these two hooks. We need useEffect and useRef. Okay, and now we can create our hooks. Create new const and copy name our hook, pass here, and create arrow function. And now we need to create three arguments: event name, handle, and element. Default we can use window. And next we need to create constant for saved our handler. Create new const and call this const saved handler. Okay, and call useRef. Okay, and now we can add watcher for our handler, and all time when our handler will be changed we need to change our saved handler current. Use our useEffect to create watcher and add array with dependencies will be watch for handle. Also correct this mistake and saved new value in current using our saved handle current and add handler. Okay, it's ready. And next we need to create one more useEffect because we need to add and clear event listener. Use our useEffect and also create array with dependencies. This time we have two dependencies: event name and element. Okay, and next we need to check supported our elements. Create new const. We can name this const is supported and check element and also element at event listener. Okay, and now we can create condition if is supported false. We need to stop our function. Let's use return. But if our support true, we need to continue our code and create event listener. Create new const and we can name this const event listener, and it will be function. This function will have one argument, event, and call current our set handler. Use our set handler and current and add this event there. Okay, next we need using element and add event listener. Use our element and add event listener, and we need to add name our event. We can use this argument, and also we need add function using this function here. Okay, our hook is almost ready, but we also need to think about optimization, and when our component will be unmounted we can remove this event listener using our return and create new function and use our element, remove event listener and copy these two arguments. Okay, our hook is ready, and also let's add export. Okay, now let's see how we can use this hook in our React component. Let's go to our app component. Okay, now let's create some event using our hook. Use our hook, import our hook, use event listener, and will be use event k down and create function event, and now we can create some state, will be print our k. Okay, let's create state, create new const, and we can name this state k, and also add set k, and use our use state. Okay, default it will be empty string, and also let's print our k here using h4 tag and add some text like reset k okay, and print our k here. Okay, and next we can use our set k and print event k. Okay, let's open the window and let's look at the window. Like you see, our string is empty, but when we click on the button, we see letter, and it means that our hook is work. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.